Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We're gonna do some painting. Oh yeah.
What are you doing over there?
Paint, baby. Please don't fall. All right, hey, we just finished up cleaning the guns, getting everything all cleaned up. The fog is out of the garage, enough so that we can breathe in here again. And we're getting ready to get on out of here ourselves. Let this black paint that takes 24 hours to dry, we're gonna let it dry. It's gonna, well, I sprayed a half a gallon of black tonight. I'd say what, probably half a gallon of primer too? So, but the black only covered the hood, the two fenders, and the bottom of the bed. At least the primer was on the back of two doors and the tailgate. So I put some black on, let's put it that way. And the reason I did that was obviously because I don't want it to corrode in the future. We'll see if it works. What do you think, KJ?
Black.
He's been out here all day, really kicked butt today. Without him out here doing what he did, there's no way we'd have been able to get as much done tonight as we did in the black. So now all we have left to do tomorrow, KJ's going to take all this masking off during the day, and then he's going to set everything up that needs painted blue, and we're going to squirt that blue and then see where we get from there. It is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, so that means Saturday we can definitely get the truck back over here, depending on how much snow is on the ground. It's snowing outside right now. Got about an inch on the ground. We are only supposed to get 1 to 3, but we know just how good the weathermen can be at times, right? So, yeah, we got a lot done tonight. Thankfully, like I said, KJ really busted butt, got everything masked off really nice, and we got in here and got it squirted.
What did you think last year?
This is
when we took Braden's truck over, it was snowing.
Bottom side of the hood. You can see a couple dings in it now that we got it shiny, but it is definitely shiny black. I believe that's the passenger fender. That's the driver's fender. I'll get you up here. That's the bottom of the bed. It most definitely has some paint on it. We tried to limit the bed movement so that I wouldn't put a bunch of dirt in it, but we still got a bunch of dirt in it. We got flies everywhere. There's a fly there. Oh yeah, here, check this out. KJ's showing me. If you guys don't know about this truck, this is SpongeBob. This is the 86 K10 that we did this time last year. And that's it put together, moving in the snow, because I think we were painting something. But look at the floor. There are, there's at least, I don't know, 100 dead flies on the floor. But the problem is they're also in some of the paint. KJ counted, I think, 4 of them in the hood. I showed you the one in the bed. So once we get it warm in here, warm enough that the flies come back to life, and then once I start spraying paint, well, they get all crazy and die again. Look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like a fly apocalypse.
Yeah, there's one right here. He's still alive.
KJ found one that's still alive, wallering in the paint.
He's trying to move, but he can't.
So that's what we got done tonight. Oh, here's the tailgate. It's been primed, and I dug a fly out of it earlier. That's what this is. And you can see here, even without me trying, see how there's just a light coat of black on there? That's what we were trying to not let happen, but it still happened. Hopefully the doors didn't get it, because they're both turned around backwards. All right, that's it for tonight. We're going to get everything shut down and head on and up to the house. I'll get this video put together and get it posted. It's an early night tonight. KJ, what is it, 8:30?
8:33.
8:33. So thankfully, we've had 2 really late nights, and tonight is an early night. So let this stuff dry now, and KJ will come back out here tomorrow. He'll probably get to sleep in a little bit because, like I said, I laid the paint on this stuff, and it's going to take a while to dry, especially with it being cold. And I guess he's going to pull a transmission out of the what's left of the 5.4 because he sold it. So, all right, the Mongo Man is out. KJ, he's out too. Say bye to the people, KJ.
Bye.
All right, y'all. See ya.